for so long? Ha! My little farmers in training. We got a lot of work to do today. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. We got it.
I sure hope they know what they're doing.
This grass needs to be cut.
Here.
Oh! Sheep and goats eat grass. Chickens eat grains and corn. Come on, chickens, it's time to eat. So delicious. Bunnies eat carrots. But there's no carrots at the farm. We better get planting. Let's go!
Farmers, you did a good job, but you're gonna need more training.
I guess it's time to hit the hay. Bye-bye.
Matteo, you can't watch TV all day. You need to do something better with your time.
I know. Maybe I can find someone to play with. Oh, hi, Gabriella. Let's play together. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm painting. It's okay. You can paint after we play. It's It's very important to me. Painting is my hobby. I want to be an artist when I grow up.
Oh, okay, bye, Gabriella.
Bye-bye.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hey, Matteo.
Mom, do you want to play together?
Sorry, Matteo. I'm busy baking.
Mom, why are you baking?
I just love to bake. It's one of my hobbies.
Okay, have fun baking.
Bye, Matteo.
Gabriella, what are you doing?
I'm practicing gymnastics.
Gabriella, I thought you were gonna play with me.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, Matteo. I'm busy right now. Maybe we can play later.
Is this another one of your hobbies?
Yes, I love gymnastics. Do you have a hobby?
No, I don't.
You have to find something that you love to do.
Mom, I don't have a hobby.
Well, what do you like to do?
I like horses.
Well, why don't you try horseback riding?
That's a great idea. Safety first. Now I'm ready.
And swing up. Good job.
Meet Chavo.
Let's do this. Meet Flash. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh. Good job. Very nice. Good job. And jump. Good job. Good job.
Here, Chavo.
Here, Flash.
Bye.
Guys, I have a surprise for you. one box. Use your senses and choose wisely.
Oh, okay. P.U. I don't want this box. Ooh, it's slimy. Ooh, that's gross. I don't want this box. We want this box.
Okay.
So cute. We love them.
Oh, they're so cute. Can I hold them? You guys are so cute.
Uh-oh.
Mom, what's wrong?
I think I'm allergic to cats. You guys are gonna have to take care of them.
Let's go for a walk.
Best day ever! Let's
Gabriella, what are you doing? I'm taking the kittens for a walk. They don't need that. They want to play. Come on, guys. Let's go. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Matteo! They don't want to play. They need a bat. All clean. Oh, what is she doing now? Gabriella, they need to eat. Come on, kitties, time to eat. Aw, poor mom. Why do we work together to take care of the kittens? That's a great idea, Matteo. Gabriella, these cats look tired. Let's put them to bed.
go!
Good night.
Okay, kids, today's our big day to train the puppies.
Mom, can we name this one Bear? This one is called Snowball. How are we supposed to train with all this noise? Quiet, please.
We're training.
This is impossible.
Hey guys, how's it going in here?
Mom, it's not going well.
I could see that.
Uh-oh.
Okay, puppies, everyone sit. Matteo, move. I can do it better. Give me paw. Why is anybody listening? Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Puppies, wait!
Guys! Puppies! Oh, there you guys are.
Shh! They're sleeping.
Oops! Aw, they're so cute. I guess the puppies are sort of trained.
And tomorrow we have to do this all over again. Come on, puppies, come on!